Nós da Toyota Aruba estamos sumamente orgulhosos de Evey Croes. Evey Croes também aue para receber seu prêmio no Toyota Dream Car Art Contest. Evey a Ghana é de 2 lugares no concurso nacional de Toyota Dream Car Art Contest e conhece ela participar automaticamente do concurso mundial de Toyota Dream Car Art Contest. E ela sale como Best Finalist. E promete viajar com Aruba a Ghana de uma plataforma internacional.
Like I normally draw a lot.
Okay.
Well, I don't really draw so much, but like I draw a lot.
Alright.
So because of my parents loved the drawings a lot. So that's they wanted to put me in this. It doesn't need to be so much because
Okay.
there's a horse running it.
Okay.
The coach driver.
Mm-hmm.
It's sort of like Cinderella, and then her fairy godmother showed up.
Alright.
I didn't draw her fairy godmother, but I drew Cinderella in the carriage.
Very pink, beautiful pink chairs.
Her grandmother has been a client from Toyota, I think from the first car that she ever had, and she lives and dreams by Toyota.
Oh,
So
nice.
when my mom heard about the contest, and that was exactly a month after we moved to Aruba, my mom was like, you gotta do this. And I was like, are you sure about this? And my mom was like, no, you have to do this, because she's a huge Toyota fan. And that is how Evey ended up participating. It was really lovely. I was actually super surprised at the amount of people that were participating in the contest to begin with. And once that was evident, having Evey become a finalist in Aruba was just incredible. It was amazing. So we were really proud of her. Well, one of the things that we have been thinking about, my husband and I, is to put the money into an educational savings plan.
Wow.
I think that is something that could be really great for Evey's future. So that's the plan.
Toyota Dream Car Contest.
Awesome.